Contributors in the field of science, 400 BC to 500 BC. Empedocles, circa 490 BC, circa 430 BC. Empedocles, a Greek philosopher and scientist, is best known for his theory of the four classical elements, earth, water, air, and fire, as the fundamental building blocks of nature. He proposed that these elements combined and separated through the forces of love and strife, offering an early explanation of natural processes. Empedocles' ideas laid the groundwork for later studies in chemistry and physics. He also explored the concept of matter and change, emphasizing cycles of creation and destruction. In biology, Empedocles speculated about evolution, suggesting that living organisms evolved through natural selection. His work combined philosophical inquiry with observations of the natural world, blending science and mysticism. Empedocles believed in the transmigration of souls, linking biology to spiritual philosophy. His influence extended to medicine, as he studied the role of respiration and blood circulation. Empedocles' holistic approach made him one of the earliest thinkers to integrate science, philosophy, and metaphysics. Anaxagoras, circa 500 BC, circa 428 BC. Anaxagoras, a Greek philosopher and scientist, is celebrated for introducing the concept of nous, mind, as the fundamental organizing principle of the cosmos. He proposed that all matter is composed of infinitely divisible particles, which combined under the influence of nous to form the visible world. Anaxagoras' theory of matter foreshadowed modern atomic theory. He was also the first to explain the moon's phases and solar eclipses, advancing early astronomy. His studies on meteorology explored the formation of rain, wind, and lightning. Anaxagoras' emphasis on rational explanations challenged mythological interpretations of natural phenomena. He also examined biological processes, studying embryology and plant growth. Despite facing opposition for his radical views, Anaxagoras remained committed to scientific inquiry. His integration of metaphysics and empirical observation influenced later philosophers, including Socrates and Aristotle. Anaxagoras' legacy endures as a pioneer of rational thought and natural philosophy. Democritus, circa 460 BC, circa 370 BC. Democritus, a Greek philosopher, is renowned as the father of atomic theory. He proposed that all matter is composed of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms, which move in a void. This revolutionary idea provided the foundation for modern physics and chemistry. Democritus also studied optics, theorizing that objects emit particles that interact with the eyes to produce vision. He explored geometry and mathematics, contributing formulas for measuring volume and area. In biology, Democritus examined reproduction, heredity, and animal behavior. His works in ethics emphasized happiness and moderation, reflecting his belief in a balanced life. Democritus's emphasis on observation and experimentation anticipated the scientific method. He traveled extensively to gather knowledge, integrating insights from different cultures. Despite facing criticism from contemporary philosophers, Democritus's theories influenced later scientific advancements. His atomic model remains one of the most profound contributions to scientific thought. Hippocrates, circa 460 BC, circa 370 BC. Hippocrates, often regarded as the father of medicine, revolutionized medical practice through his emphasis on observation and diagnosis. He rejected supernatural explanations for diseases, advocating for natural causes and treatments. Hippocrates' writings, including the famous Hippocratic Oath, established ethical guidelines for medical practitioners. He classified diseases based on symptoms and introduced concepts of acute and chronic illnesses. Hippocrates emphasized the importance of diet, exercise, and hygiene in maintaining health. His studies on anatomy and physiology contributed to early medical knowledge. Hippocrates also developed techniques for treating wounds and fractures, improving surgical practices. His approach to patient care emphasized empathy and professionalism, shaping modern medical ethics. Hippocrates' legacy as a healer and teacher influenced generations of physicians, laying the foundation for evidence-based medicine. Pythagoras, circa 570 BC, circa 495 BC. Pythagoras, a Greek mathematician and philosopher, is best known for the Pythagorean theorem, which remains fundamental in geometry. He founded the Pythagorean school, emphasizing mathematical principles as the key to understanding the universe. Pythagoras believed that numbers governed natural phenomena, contributing to mathematical philosophy. He also studied acoustics, discovering numerical relationships in musical harmony. Pythagoras' investigations into astronomy included the idea that celestial bodies move in harmony, known as the music of the spheres. He explored the concept of proportions, influencing later studies in algebra and trigonometry. Pythagoras' teachings extended to ethics, promoting a disciplined and harmonious lifestyle. His emphasis on logic and mathematical proofs set the stage for scientific reasoning. Pythagoras' impact on mathematics, music, and philosophy continues to resonate in modern scientific thought. Zeno of Elea, circa 490 BC, circa 430 BC. Zeno of Elea, a Greek philosopher, is renowned for his paradoxes, which challenged conventional notions of space, time, and motion. His paradoxes, such as Achilles and the tortoise, highlighted logical inconsistencies in perceptions of infinity and divisibility. Zeno's work laid the foundation for mathematical and philosophical inquiries into the nature of infinity and continuity. He explored concepts of motion and change, influencing later studies in calculus and physics. Zeno's arguments were instrumental in advancing dialectical reasoning, emphasizing rigorous logical analysis. His paradoxes continue to provoke debate and inspire mathematical exploration. Zeno's philosophical inquiries extended to metaphysics, examining the relationship between appearance and reality. He emphasized the importance of rational thought in addressing complex problems. Zeno's contributions bridged mathematics, logic, and philosophy, shaping the intellectual landscape of ancient Greece and beyond. Thank you for taking the time to explore the remarkable contributions of these ancient scientists and thinkers. Their work laid the foundation for modern science and continues to inspire curiosity and discovery. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Your support helps us grow and share more knowledge. Thank you.